If you just received the wig with this extra fabric in the front and you just don't know what to do with that, then watch this video till the end. This is a lace front wig and the hairline is very soft because of this extra fabric in the front. But you have, of course, to cut this part off. You can just walk around with that. So let's watch the video till the end and learn how we cut off the lace off of a lace front wig, okay? As you see, I'm already wearing my wig cap, and later on I'm gonna show you how to put on a wig cap properly. But first, we're gonna cut off the lace. Here's my lace front wig. Oh, looking cute, right? It's a really cute wig, very long, very feminine looking. So first, I'm gonna divide this lace into 3 parts so I don't get confused. 1, okay, on the sides, 2, and 1 more on this other side. I'm gonna do it 3. You have to leave half an inch there still. Okay, so we have 3 pieces, right? That's why it's going to be much easier for us to cut it off. And it's always recommended to cut in a zigzag because nobody's hairline is just straight like this, right? So we can cut in a zigzag. Have a look. This is what I did. We'll try it on later and see if it's proper. So I'm done cutting off the lace. This is what it looks like, girls, from the inside. I just wanted to show you what it looks like from the inside. You see we have 3 little combs here. Girls, only the lace front wigs have 3 little combs inside, and the wigs which are not lace front, they don't have combs inside, but they have little straps inside. All the wigs have little straps inside. Here are 2 straps. You have to adjust the size, girls. So I have my hair in a low bun, right? So it's not gonna be visible under my wig if I have it in a low bun. So you have to put on your wig cap like this, get your bun in there, of course. Your ears should be out, girls. And of course, push it backwards, okay? It can't be too low on your forehead, otherwise it's gonna be visible under your wig cap. Okay, so first, we of course brush the wig. We always brush the wig, always. You know, I have a wig myself and I just walk with a brush in my purse. Okay, so how do you put it on? First, you put on your forehead. Then stretch the sides and the back and get your little bun in there. Voila, that's all. Of course, fix it. Specifically, if it's a lace front, there might be some hair stuck there, so make sure that you fixed it. Now we brush it. Cute. It's cute. Cute. This is the close-up, girls, of the hairline. It's looking very convincing and very natural. Don't forget to put a little bit of a foundation on the lace specifically so it blends with your forehead color. It's very important. You don't want to have a white lace or a dark lace visible, okay? The point is, we leave a little bit of lace intact, and because it blends so well with your forehead color, it's not gonna be visible, okay? That's all, girlies. And don't forget to give me some likes.